Welcome to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel. Today our topic is preposition. It is used before noun or pronoun to show the time factor or place or position. Examples: in, or, at, above, after. To show the time factor, for the exact time we use the preposition at. For approximate time we use around preposition. Before the days, on Sunday, on Monday we use on preposition. Before the dates also on preposition is used. For example, on Jan 26th, on August 15th. Before the months, in preposition is used. In June, in May. Before the years, in preposition in 1947, in 1994 is used. Before the parts of a day, in preposition is used, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. At is used before at noon, at night, at midnight, at dawn, at dusk. For preposition is used to represent the period of time. For example, for 5 years. Since is used only when starting time is given, that is since 1945. Till or until preposition is used only when ending time is given, that is till 2019, till 2000. On time means exact time. In time means before exact time. In or within means end point of the duration. Let us see some place prepositions. In is used when it is inside. At is used to represent nearby. By the side means beside. In addition to, besides, s, besides. Back, behind. Opposite, in front. Up, above, down, below. Surface in contact means on. A thing is in rest means in. A thing is in motion means into. To represent between two persons, between preposition is used. More than two persons, among is used. By using this figure, let us see some preposition. A is on the road. A is standing on the road. A is going along the road. A is going along the road. A is going with the C. With is also preposition. B is going this way, so across the road. A is going by bus. A is going on foot. A is going on foot. To reach the college, A and C have to go through the ground. There are three kinds of prepositions: simple, compound and phrasal. On, in, at, for, of, all these comes under simple preposition. Within, into, across, amid, along, before, below, beneath, all these comes under compound preposition. All the phrases like on behalf of, in spite of, in favor of, in front of, by, because of, for the sake of, all these comes under phrase prepositions. Let us see some examples. I have been waiting for her for an hour. This for is person preposition, and for an hour this is time preposition. In case of need, call me. In case of is the preposition. On behalf of staff, he read out the address. On behalf of is preposition. He is in front of me. Of is the preposition. I am fond of tea. Of is the preposition here. I listen to them. To is the preposition. Sit with them. With is a preposition. The farmer plowed the land with a tractor. In this case, in the 7th example, with is the person preposition. In the 8th example, with is the thing preposition. Come at 8 o'clock. That is, it is used for exact time. It is the time preposition here. I am at institute. It is the place preposition here. Here it is time preposition. Here it is place preposition. Come and sit by me. By is the place preposition. The report was submitted by me. This is the person preposition. He persevered in spite of difficulties. Here 14th one is in the event of his dying without an issue, his nephew would inherit the whole property. As we have already discussed, on is used before days and dates. The exam is on Sunday. I was born on 11th May. The book is on the table. I saw the film on TV. Generally we think that I saw the film in TV, but in is wrong. I saw the film on TV, on the phone, on fire, on the whole. Here over preposition can also be used, over the phone. The preposition on is used before some of the words like vacation, leave, duty, purpose, strike, a diet, the radio, on the radio. Let us see some examples. First example, I won't be here next week. I will be on holiday. Second example, there are no buses today. The drivers are on strike. I never met her, but I have spoken to her on the phone or over the phone. I did not watch the news on TV, but I listened to it on the radio. The preposition by is used before the transports like by car, by auto, by cycle, by boat, by plane. We can also use in the car, in my friend's car, he went there on my bike. Let us see some fixed prepositions. Accuse of, aware of, beware of, fond of, afraid of, conscious of. Agree with is used for person. Agree to is used for proposal. Angry with is used for person. Angry at is used for his behavior. Let us see some more rules regarding the preposition. The word emerge should be followed by from. Alight also should be followed by from. Comment should be followed by on. Embark should be followed by on. Insist also should be followed by on. Words like affection, ambition, eager, eminent, famous, notorious, carving, appetite. All these should be followed by the preposition for. Rule number 2 is after the preposition, the pronoun should be in objective case only. I don't depend on he. He is wrong. I don't depend on him. We are in front of they. They is wrong. We are in front of them is correct. She doesn't rely on us. Us is in the objective case. So this is right. Rule 3. When prepositions are different, each has to be highlighted. She is interested and good at singing. Here after the word interested in should be used. She is interested in and good at singing is correct. Second example is she was surprised as well as pleased with her achievement. Here after the word surprised, the preposition at should be used. She was surprised at as well as pleased with her achievement. He is liable to and compelled by law to do his work. This is correct. Rule number 4. If preposition is followed by a verb, take the verb in the ing form. For example, prevent from plus v1 ing, delight in plus v1 ing, addicted to plus v1 ing or noun, looking forward to plus v1 ing or noun. Let us see the examples. I am looking forward to meet you. Here v4 should be used. So looking forward to meeting you is correct. All his cousins are addicted to gamble. Here all his cousins are addicted to gamble. Here gambling should be used. All his cousins are addicted to gambling. He takes delight in working smart. Here after the delight word working v1 ing is used. So this is correct. They were fined for being late. So being ing form. This is also correct. She prevented me from doing this work. Doing is also ing form. This is also correct. Rule number 5. On, at, in. Not to be used before, today or yesterday or tomorrow, the day before or the next day. Come on today. Here on preposition should not be used. Come today is correct. It happened on the following day. Here also on should not be used. It happened the following day is correct. Rule number 6. After the word arrive, it should be used for small areas. After the word arrive, in should be used for large areas. They arrived in Delhi on today morning. Here on should not be used. Delhi is a large place, so in is correct. They arrived at Delhi airport. Here it is correct because airport of Delhi is a small area. So it is correct. Rule number 7. No preposition before the words like last, next, this, that, home. Did you go to the meeting on last Thursday? Here on should not be used. Come to home. Here also to should not be used before the word home. Any preposition should not be used. Take it to Mr. Ravi's home. This is correct. Before, after the preposition to, a noun is there. So this is correct. Rule number 8. No preposition should be used after the words like reached, describe, discuss, order, demand, attack, resemble, ridicule. Only object should be used after these words. For example, he describes about the beauty of the nature. Here about should not be used. He describes beauty of the nature is correct. We discussed about some important issues. After the word discuss, preposition should not be added. We discussed some important issues is correct. I reached home before sunset. This sentence is correct because after the verb reach, home noun is there. So this is correct. Order for coffee. After the word order, preposition should not be used. Order coffee. He told to me that he would come. After the word told also, to should not be used. He told me that he would come is correct. Rule number 9 for the preposition to. Suggest to or propose to should be followed by the word should. Example, you suggested to her that she should prepare well. Suggested to should is used. This is correct. I will explain to you. This is also correct. After the word explain, to should be used. Some more conditions: reply to, talk to, listen to, complain to. Examples: reply to my letter. This is correct. After the word reply, to should be used. She did not reply me. This is wrong. She did not reply to me should be used. She did not reply to me. Talk to her. This is correct. After the word talk, to preposition is used. Listen to her. After the word listen, to preposition should be used. I complained it to the authorities. After the word complain, to should be used. Thanks for watching. If you like my explanation, please like the video, subscribe to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel and share with your friends.